Matanjun, also known as colorful Zarda rice, has a long and fascinating history back to the Mughal era. The history of this dish shows that it was originally created for the royal kitchens, where it was served to princes and high-ranking guests during special celebrations and grand feasts. Its origins reflect the richness and sophistication of Mughal cuisine, which valued not just taste, but also presentation, aroma, and visual beauty. Over the centuries, Matanjun evolved and became a cherished dessert in South Asia, particularly in Pakistan, India, and Bangladesh. Traditionally, it is prepared during weddings, festivals, and other significant occasions, symbolizing celebration, happiness, and togetherness. Families take pride in making this dish with love, patience, and attention to detail, passing down the recipe from generation to generation. Today, we are going to make this vibrant, colorful Zarda rice that is fluffy, long-grained, and full of flavor. Each grain of rice is separate and soft, never sticky or broken, which is the hallmark of perfectly cooked Zarda. The preparation begins with careful cooking on dum, allowing the rice to absorb all the flavors of ghee, sugar, and spices. When we finally open the dum, a wave of sweet, inviting aroma fills the air. The rich scent of ghee combined with the subtle sweetness excites the senses and immediately brings a smile to anyone who smells it. This is the moment when the dish truly comes alive, as the long, golden grains glisten and the colors of saffron and other ingredients become more vibrant. Gently mixing the rice is a crucial step. As we fold the Zarda, the colors swirl together, creating a beautiful visual effect. The grains remain separate, soft, and perfectly coated, while the aroma continues to rise. This combination of texture, fragrance, and color makes Matanjun not just a dessert, but a visual and sensory experience. Traditionally, this sweet rice is garnished with special toppings such as colorful chum-chum sweets or dried fruits. These toppings add a festive touch and make the dish extra special, enhancing both its appearance and taste. Every bite is a delightful mix of soft rice, gentle sweetness, and the subtle richness of ghee. The flavor is delicate yet unforgettable, making it a favorite dessert at weddings and celebrations. Cooking Matanjun is not just about following a recipe, it is about patience, love, and an appreciation for tradition. Each step, from cooking on dum to mixing the rice and finally adding the toppings, reflects the care and pride that goes into making this timeless dish. If you love dishes that are both visually stunning and incredibly delicious, colorful Zarda rice is a must-try. Take your time with the dum, enjoy the aroma, and mix it gently to preserve each grain's perfection. Share it with your loved ones and celebrate the joy of cooking and tradition.